In the relentless pursuit of understanding our planet, humanity has climbed the highest mountains and explored the vastness of space. Yet, one of the greatest mysteries lies directly beneath our feet. The Earth's interior is largely unknown, hidden beneath layers of rock, metal, and intense pressure. But in the late 20th century, Soviet scientists attempted to peel back those layers by drilling the deepest hole ever dug by mankind, the Kola Superdeep Borehole. Located on the Kola Peninsula in northwestern Russia, this audacious scientific project began in 1970 during the Cold War. The goal was simple but profound: reach as far as possible into the Earth's crust and learn what lies below. For over 2 decades, the Soviets drilled, enduring extreme temperatures, unexpected rock formations, and technological limits that tested the edge of engineering. By 1989, the Kola borehole had reached an astonishing depth of 12,262 meters, over 40,000 feet, or about 7.6 miles down. To put that in perspective, the hole was deeper than the Mariana Trenches underwater. But what they found wasn't just a technical achievement, it was a scientific revelation. One of the first surprises was that the Earth's temperature rose much faster than expected. At that depth, the temperature reached around 180 degrees Celsius, hot enough to deform and fracture the rock, making further drilling nearly impossible. Scientists had to abandon their goal of reaching 15 kilometers because their equipment simply couldn't handle the heat. The rock itself was another mystery. Based on seismic readings, scientists had expected to hit a transition from granite to basalt. Instead, they found only metamorphosed granite, suggesting the seismic interpretation of the Earth's crust needed major revision. This challenged long-held geological models and deepened the mystery of what lies further below. Even more astounding was the discovery of microscopic plankton fossils buried several miles beneath the surface. These single-celled organisms, encased in organic compounds, had been preserved for billions of years. Their presence so deep underground stunned scientists, raising new questions about how life could survive under such extreme pressure and temperature. Water was also found, unexpectedly. It wasn't surface water that had seeped down, but rather water that had been trapped in mineral structures since the Earth formed. Its presence indicated complex chemical interactions deep in the crust and suggested the possibility of water reservoirs far below what was thought possible. But despite these astonishing discoveries, the Kola borehole was eventually sealed in 1995. Primarily due to funding issues and the immense technical challenges of digging deeper. The site now sits abandoned, a rusting steel cap marking the deepest man-made point on Earth. Legends and conspiracy theories quickly grew around the project. Some claimed strange noises were heard from the depths. Rumors even spun stories about hearing the screams of the damned. Of course, these were hoaxes and exaggerations, but they fed into the public's fascination with the unknown lurking beneath. What makes the Kola Superdeep Borehole so significant isn't just its record-breaking depth, but how it reshaped our understanding of geology. It exposed flaws in seismic interpretation, revealed ancient life far below the surface, and uncovered geological conditions that were far more extreme than anticipated. Despite the project's closure, interest in drilling into the Earth continues. Other deep drilling projects like the German Continental Deep Drilling Program and Japan's Chikyu-Hakken have tried to push the boundaries. Yet none have surpassed the Kola borehole in terms of depth. What lies deeper still remains a mystery. The Earth's mantle, which lies just beyond the crust, is still unreachable. And the core? That's over 3,000 kilometers down, far beyond human reach for now. Even our deepest mines and boreholes barely scratch the surface. Still, the legacy of the Kola Superdeep Borehole endures. It reminds us how little we truly know about our planet and how even the most advanced science can be humbled by nature. What lies below may hold the keys to Earth's formation, the origins of life, and the dynamics that shape earthquakes and volcanoes. As science and technology advance, perhaps one day we'll dig even deeper, unlocking more of Earth's hidden secrets. Until then, the deepest hole ever dug stands as both a triumph and a tantalizing mystery. If you enjoyed this journey into Earth's depths, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible science stories and hidden wonders of our world.